Join me as I dive into the future of Litm stock and try to predict what's next for it. Litm stock has been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. Its relevance in the current market landscape is undeniable, and investors are eager to know what the future holds for this promising stock. When we take a closer look at Litm stock, it's clear that there are a few challenges that need to be addressed. One of the biggest hurdles is market volatility. With the stock market being as unpredictable as it is, it's hard to know which way Litm will swing in the coming months. Another challenge is the company's dependence on a few key products. If these products don't perform as well as expected, it could spell disaster for Litm's bottom line. Additionally, there are concerns about the company's management structure, which some investors feel is not robust enough to support the company's growth. And finally, there's the issue of competition. Litm operates in a crowded space, and it's going to have to fight to stay ahead of the competition. Recent news about Litm has been mixed, to say the least. On the one hand, the company has announced some impressive partnerships that could lead to big gains down the line. On the other hand, their latest financial reports have been a bit underwhelming, leaving some investors wondering if the company can really deliver on its promises. But despite the uncertainty, one thing is clear: Litm is a stock that's definitely worth keeping an eye on. In terms of market trends, it's clear that investors are looking for safe haven stocks, and Litm could be well positioned to capitalize on this trend. One of the most interesting developments around Litm lately is the company's foray into new markets. This could be a game changer for the company, as it opens up new revenue streams and helps to diversify their product offerings. The recent launch of their new product line has received rave reviews, and investors are excited to see how this will impact the company's bottom line in the coming quarters. Another positive development is the company's commitment to sustainability. This is an area that's becoming increasingly important to investors, and Litm's efforts to reduce its carbon footprint are definitely a step in the right direction. The critical insight that's really jumped out at me when looking at Litm stock is the company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions. This is a company that's not afraid to take risks and try new things, and that kind of forward thinking is exactly what investors love to see. The recent partnership with a major tech firm is a great example of this. It's a bold move that could pay off big time in the coming years. Another key insight is the company's focus on innovation. They're not just resting on their laurels and relying on their existing products to carry them through. They're constantly looking for ways to improve and expand their offerings, and that kind of commitment to innovation is music to investors' ears. So what's next for Litm stock? The future is always uncertain, but one thing is clear: this is a stock that's definitely worth watching. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Litm is a company that's making waves and could be poised for big things in the coming months. If you want to stay up to date on the latest stock insights and trends, be sure to check out my other videos for more information. And don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section. I love hearing from you and learning more about what you're interested in.